Hello, what's your name?
Will Jones.
Will Jones.
Yes, sir.
I love your style.
Thank you.
Very Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Thank you.
Like it's sick.
Where you from?
Shreveport, Louisiana.
Southern man.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
17.
17.
Yes, sir.
Just yes is fine.
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. I never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Go ahead, boy. He can't believe it.
There's no worry, don't you hurry. We can take our time. We're alone now. You don't know how long I've wanted to lock them doors and turn them lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Willie Jones, you are an absolute original.
Thank you.
Willie Jones. He sounds like Willie Jones, right?
Willie Jones.
It's perfect.
That's what's up.
That was amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Reed.
Brittany.
I was very surprised. I wasn't expecting that. And I think, like Ellie said, it's very original of you to do what you just did.
Demi.
What I like about you is you're really likable. Like the fact that you're standing on stage, you're like, oh my gosh, this is for me.
Totally.
Like I love that about you. Say that person too.
Simon.
Willie, this is why I wanted to come to Greensboro. I prayed we were going to find somebody like you, but you've gone beyond my expectations. You've surprised me. I think your voice is a sensational recording voice. And I want to remember this time, the first day I heard Willie Jones. This is a day to remember, I'm telling you.
Okay, I think we should vote. It's a huge yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's an enormous yes. You're such a rock star already. I'm gonna say yes.
It is an absolutely ginormous, big, fat yes.
I am always the only black girl surrounded by white guys, and you white guys, you guys will not ask me out. I don't know why. I do everything I'm supposed to do. I watch Seinfeld, I watch Friends, I listen to Coldplay. What the hell do you guys like? I'm trying to get... I want some Caucasian cuddling up in here. I don't know what I gotta do.